What's going on, everybody? I wanted to do a quick video explaining the bird dog snapshot. And so what I'm going to do is something like that. Okay, what's going on, everybody? I wanted to take a quick minute and talk to you about the bird dog snapshot. Basically, what I wanted to do was provide a simple way for people to have a bird dog website. It's very basic, okay? So what you would do is go to sites, funnels, edit this site, and this is where you can change the logo, change what it says, blah, 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 changes the buy boxes, right? And has a little form in here. Obviously, you can change it. I'll show you how to do that. Yep, update all these things for yourself. Send me a deal just goes to this form, okay? Then it has a buyer form as well, or a buyer page. So if you want to talk with buyers, have them fill out your form. Okay, so it's a quick buyer form. Okie dokie. Then you just come over here to forms and you can edit those to however you want those to look for your bird dogs or your buyers. Okay. Then on the back end, there's some automations. So the bird dog automations are here. So when you are moving things around in the pipelines or the opportunities, it will communicate back to the bird dog. There's a little welcome sequence, so when they submit a deal, they get put into a welcome sequence. This is what I would need you to edit. Finding good deals, submission tips, payout information, just a quick, help the bird dog understand how you operate. You just come in here to these emails and change them however you want them to look, okay? And go through all of these workflows. Like, look at them and see what they see what they say, see how they operate, okay? They are dependent on where things are in this pipeline, the bird dog deal pipeline. Okay, so if you move their deal to offer sent or whatever it is, it will trigger an automation to happen. That's how it works, okay? For the buyer's pipeline, same kind of thing. Like, you'll get new buyers coming in. You want to move them around. Which ones are the hot buyers? Which ones have done a property walkthrough? Okay? And it goes all the way down to disqualified. Very simple. Just one pipeline to help you, keep organized. That's basically what we want to do, right? Automations for the buyer, just have that buyer intake form. That's all we're doing. You'll have to, move them around and just keep track of things. Okay. Totally free. We could put so much more into it, but I think for a free free website that's pretty much ready to go, I think it's pretty good. But that's all there is to it. It's not that difficult to wrap your head around. It's just when you go to opportunities, you're changing the card, and that is what triggers the automations to communicate back to your bird dog what's happening. Okay? Comment on the loom. If you have any questions, just comment and let me know. Hey, I think it'd be cool if you did this, but I kind of don't, since it's free, I'm not going to put a lot of energy into this. I just want to help people, have a quick website and have some little automations on the back end, but I hope this helps. And I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye.